Greece is full of ancient jewels, gorgeous nature, divine cuisine, and Europe's finest shorelines. The Greek Isles are renowned, some for epic beach bashes, and others for their lavish resorts parading mind-blowing vistas. Whether you crave Greek culture and history, or search for the ultimate beach escape, you're in for a treat. This guide to Greece's top attractions offers a plethora of choices for all, revealing the Mediterranean's finest gems. From the surreal landscapes of Milos to Athens' extraordinary archaeology, TrailTrove presents the ultimate Greek adventure. 12. Hop on a Thessaloniki Odyssey. Thessaloniki, Greece's electrifying second-largest city, invites you on an urban escapade. Think Athens' historical wonders, but with fewer crowds. Stroll amidst ancient landmarks, where whispers of the past echo through time. And the flavors. Dive into Thessaloniki's culinary tapestry. From fresh seafood to the irresistible bugotza pastries. Each bite tells a tale of Greek heritage, a savory escape from Athens' hustle. 11. Revel in Mykonos madness. Mykonos Island, the sun-kissed playground of thrill-seekers, pulses with legendary nightlife. Think beach soirees under star-studded skies. Beyond the beach bars lies a hidden Mykonos, a sphere of scenic waterfalls, ancient ruins, and historic landmarks. Hop on a boat to Delos, the sacred island where ancient Greek history unfolds. Myth meets revelry on these sun-drenched shores. 10. Discover the birthplace of the Olympics. Step back in time at the archaeological site of Olympia. Here, the ancient Olympic Games ignited passion and prowess. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a wellspring of Greek history. Wander among centuries-old ruins, the wrestling arena, the temples, and statues of gods. Even the most casual history buff will be spellbound by Olympia's annals. 9. Go on a mythical quest at Delphi. Delve into the legend of the Oracle of Delphi, a tale woven in Greek mythology. It beckons both history buffs and explorers. Cradled in a quaint town, the remarkable Temple of Apollo stands as an iconic landmark. But there's more to explore. Venture beyond the temple to discover the ancient theater of Delphi, the mystical Castellia's Spring, and the captivating Delphi Archaeological Museum. Here, statues, arts, and relics whisper of prophecies long past. 8. Ascend to heavenly heights at Meteora monasteries. Set out on a trip to the ethereal Meteora. Think monasteries perched atop sheer cliffs, defying gravity. These medieval treasures, built upon existing pillars in the 13th and 14th centuries, transport you to a world of wonder. As you gaze in awe at their majesty, feel the spiritual devotion that shaped these sanctuaries. Whether on a road trip adventure or a peaceful off-season escapade, Meteora awaits, a divine encounter etched against the sky. 7. Take in Rhodes' scenic glory. Rhodes reigns supreme among the Dodecanese Islands, displaying a collection of archaeological wonders, sun-kissed beaches, and luxury retreats. Whether you want relaxation or adventure, Rhodes offers an abundance of experiences to suit every taste. Take on thrilling outdoor escapades along Rhodes' various hiking trails, leading you to panoramic viewpoints, hidden canyons, and cascading waterfalls. Immerse yourself in the island's natural beauty, where lush landscapes rival its pristine sandy shores. From Gadur Dam to Jacob's Canyon and the enchanting Butterflies Valley, Rhodes abounds with natural wonders waiting to be discovered. Dive into the island's rich history, with museums, monasteries, and ancient sites adding depth to your Rhodesian adventure. How are you liking this list so far? We'd appreciate all kinds of feedback. And speaking of appreciation, make sure to support TrailTrove by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell to join our community. You won't regret it. Pinky swear. Alright, next up. 6. Immerse yourself in Athenian adventures. Athens, the spirited heart of Greece, pulses with a kaleidoscope of history, culture, and culinary delights. Whether you're craving an ancient odyssey, an artistic escapade, or a beachside retreat, Athens offers it all and then some. History buffs will delight in exploring iconic landmarks like the ancient Agora of Athens, the majestic Acropolis, and the verdant Athens Natural Garden. For a panoramic perspective, ascend Areopagus Hill and soak in the city's storied past, while basking in Mediterranean sunshine. 5. Learn the mystery of Zakynthos Shipwreck Beach. Zakynthos Shipwreck Beach is a legendary site that captivates the imagination. Though access may be limited, the thrill of witnessing its impressive vistas from atop the cliffs remains unparalleled. Let the azure waters and weathered shipwreck fuel your wanderlust until you can splash in its pristine waters once more. 4. Set sail for enchanting Milos. Milos Island beckons with its enchanting landscapes and untouched allure, offering a haven for intrepid travelers searching for paradise. Nestled in the Aegean Sea, Milos offers otherworldly beaches and hidden treasures waiting to be uncovered. Discover the lunar-like wonder of Zakynthos Beach, where chalk-white rocks and hidden caves transport you to another place. Venture beyond the crowds to Papa Frog's caves for a glimpse of Milos' hidden secrets, and admire the island's rich history as the birthplace of the iconic Venus de Milo structure. 3. Conquer Mount Olympus like a great god. Launch into an exploration to the summit of Mount Olympus, the legendary abode of ancient Greek gods. Towering at 2,917 meters, Mythicus beckons adventurers with its mystical allure and panoramic vistas. While scaling this mythical peak is reserved for seasoned mountaineers, there are plenty of lower trails to explore, each revealing fascinating insights into the mountain's divine history. 2. Sail away on a yacht adventure in the Ionian Isles. Set sail across the sparkling waters of the Ionian Sea on a luxurious yacht expedition. From the charming shores of Corfu to the hidden gems of Paxos and Lefkada, every port of call promises unforgettable experiences. Yacht rentals in Greece offer unbeatable value compared to traditional resort stays. With expert skippers and hosts at your service, you're guaranteed a bespoke itinerary tailored to your every desire. 1. Discover Santorini's prehistoric wonders. Venture beyond the iconic whitewashed cliffs of Santorini and kick off an odyssey through time to discover its ancient secrets. Learn about the island's rich history with prehistoric tours that reveal hidden treasures dating back to the Neolithic period. Explore the fascinating ruins of Akrotiri, a testament to ancient civilization, before ascending to the mountaintop sanctuary of ancient Thera for exciting views of the Aegean Sea. For the adventurous at heart, go on the historic hike from Fira to Ia, where every step reveals panoramic vistas and thrilling discoveries along the way. Have you been to Greece? What's your favorite memory from this beautiful country? Go ahead and let us know in the comments. You never know, it might just inspire a fellow traveler to book a flight to the places you've been to. If you found this video helpful, click like, subscribe to TrailTrove to be part of our community, and stay updated with the latest videos by ringing the notification bell.